Freelancing has become a popular career choice for many people as it offers freedom to work from anywhere and the ability to choose your own projects and clients. So how do freelancers actually earn money? In this video, I'll be telling you 3 ways with which freelancers earn money. I'll be talking about the advantages and disadvantages of all these options as well. So stay tuned and let's get started. Hourly rate is a common method for freelancers to charge for their services. In this method, freelancers sets an hourly charge based on their skills and the services which they are offering, and as well as on the market demand for that service. The hourly rate can depend on few hours to thousands of dollars depending on the nature of work and the level of expertise required. For example, a freelance graphic designer may charge up to $50 to $100 per hour, but similarly, a software developer may charge from $500 to $1,000 per hour. So it depends on the entire skill set which you have, and you set your own prices per hour. Hourly rate is suitable for freelancers who provide services such as consulting, writing, or web design. So what are the advantages of hourly method? So it allows freelancers to track their time spent on a project and accurately bill the client for the hours worked. It also provides the client the level of understanding for a particular project, and they can calculate the total cost by multiplying the hourly rate by the number of hours worked. Hourly rate is flexible and straightforward method for freelancers to earn money, but it requires the freelancer to accurately track their hours and the time spent on a project so that they can effectively manage their time and workload. The next kind of model which freelancers choose is the project-based pricing. Project-based pricing is a set pricing for a particular project. It doesn't involve that they will be charging on hourly basis. It's a fixed quote to the customer for X amount of work. And the fixed price again is based on the scope of work, the complexity of the project, and freelancers' experience and expertise. So again, the difference is a freelance writer may quote up to $1,000 to write a book of 50,000 words, while a freelance web designer may quote a fixed price of $10,000 for building a custom website or a custom software. And this project-based pricing is particularly suitable for freelancers who provide creative or technical services such as graphic design, web development, or content writing. The advantages of project-based work is that there is a fixed understanding between the client and the freelancer that the client has to pay X amount of money to get that particular project done. And as for the freelancer, he knows that he is going to receive that X amount for that particular work. Talking about the disadvantage of project-based pricing, it can be a bit risky for the freelancers as it requires them to accurately estimate the time and the resources required for the project. If the project takes longer than expected, or if additional work is required, the freelancer may end up earning less than what they expected. And it is also very important for a freelancer to clearly define the scope of what he or she would be doing for that particular price on a project. So overall, project-based pricing is a lucrative way for freelancers to earn money, but it requires careful planning, effective communication, and accurate project management. Third way using which freelancers earn money is through retainer pricing. What retainer pricing is? It's a recurring pricing which a client is supposed to pay to the freelancer to do the work. Let's say a freelancer is building a software, and every month he is charging an X amount of, let's say, $500 for up to 12 months till the completion of the project. So the advantage of retainer based pricing is that freelancer know that a particular recurring income is going to come for that particular duration. So it's a stable and a predictable income, and it allows freelancer to build a long-lasting relationship with the client. Talking about the disadvantages, it is a bit challenging for a freelancer to manage that workload and finances to ensure that they are able to meet the ongoing demands of the client. And it is important for the freelancer to set clear boundaries and communicate with the client on regular basis so that he can manage the time and resources effectively to ensure that they are able to deliver high quality services. Overall, a retainer is a lucrative and a beneficial method for freelancers, and it gives them a financial stability which is required in freelancing. So in addition to these traditional methods, there are platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr and Freelancer that allow freelancers to offer their services to the client all over the world. These platforms, they usually charge a small fee for using their service, but they also provide a ready pool of clients to the freelancers along with a secure payment system. So freelancers have got a variety of options to earn money, and they choose the method depending on their skill set and the type of work that they are offering. Guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please leave a comment down below. I'll see you again in my next video. Cheers.